In this first case study, we're going to work with shapefiles or feature class files. You can select which one you prefer. We prefer you work with feature class files, but you could do shapefiles. And when you do a case study, you're going to find that you've got to use principles that were learned in the module that you're currently in, but also principles that might have been learned in a previous area. So these are much bigger in scope than the assignments were. The assignments were sort of single hit, learn a single concept and show me that you can do that concept, where a case study is a broader perspective and many times have real world scenarios that they're based upon. So let me switch screens here and let's list what you're going to do. You're going to develop 5 regional geographies. And each of these geographies must have at least 4 counties. Now we're going to leave it to you to decide where those counties are located. But the one thing is, each of these 4 groupings of 4 counties must be contiguous. They can't just be scattered across the state, but the 4 counties for one of the regional geographies must be contiguous. That's not saying the next regional geography has to be contiguous to the first, but the counties within a regional geography must be contiguous. We want you to work at the census tract level. And these files can be gotten from numerous different sources, and we leave that up to you as a student learner to figure out where your sources are. There are files that we have posted that you could use. We want you to work with road files. We want you to work with streams or river files. And also just county boundaries. Now these 2 files will initially come in at the state level. The census tract file we want as an individual county level that you get, and same thing with the county boundary, so it's going to be at the county level. So we would like, when you get all done, we'll have 5 regional geographies of census tract levels. We'll have only the roads in your each regional geography. We'll have only the streams in each regional geography, and we'll have the county boundaries of each regional geography. So what you're going to come up with will be regionalizing a part of the state, and then you're going to repeat that 5 times. And we want you to write as little code as possible. So using good naming convention and using loop functions, you might be able to accomplish this in just a very few lines of code.